Hey guys, welcome back to English Elites. I'm Kiran and here we talk about how to speak in English fluently and properly. So let's begin. You might have received a text saying this or this or this or maybe this as well. So you might have guessed the topic for today, that is slang words or short words that we use in text. If you are also someone who always get confused like what these words mean, this video is just for you. So let's begin with it. Today I'm going to tell you 50 slang words that you can use while texting. Or if you don't know some of them, even I didn't know some of them, okay? So you can get to know these. So let's begin. Number 1, AKA, also known as. You must have heard this word or seen this word or read this text, okay, in movies, in your phone, in web series, everywhere, okay? So this is also known as, AKA. Let me give you an example on this. He who must not be named, also known as Voldemort, is the most evil villain of all times. See, that was so simple, right? AKA, also known as. Let's move on to the next. The second one is NGL. NGL, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. NGL, you are hilarious. NGL, you are hilarious. Number 3, without. Without. We are leaving without you. We are leaving without you. Now just remember, all of these words are mostly used in text. The next one is whatever. Whatever. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. Never mind. Never mind. NVM. NVM. Never mind, I did it myself. Never mind, I did it myself. The meaning of never mind is let it be or let it go. The next one is FTW. FTW. For the win. For the win. This one is used to express approval or support. So when you want to support someone, you can just say like for the win, FTW, when you're talking on the text. Let me give you an example on this. I found my missing wallet for the win. I found my missing wallet for the win. FTW. Number 7, FTL. Now this is the opposite of FTW, for the win. This is FTL, for the lose. For the lose. This is used for disappointment, being disappointed, or for disapproval. When you don't like something, you're disapproved of something. That's when you are going to use this, for the lose, FTL. For example, the weather ruined our outdoor party, for the lose. The weather ruined our outdoor party, for the lose. The next one is ICYMI. ICYMI. Now, let me give you the full form for this. In case you missed it. In case you missed it. Okay, so when you have missed some information or somebody you know have missed some information, you can use this in shortcut, in short form like ICYMI, you have missed this. For example, in case you have missed it, here's a recorded video of yesterday's lecture. In case you have missed it, here's a recorded video of yesterday's lecture. ICYMI. Let's move on to the next one. ROFL. Now this is very commonly used. ROFL. Rolling on floor laughing. Rolling on floor laughing. So when somebody has cracked a hilarious joke, a very funny joke, that time you can use this in your text. Okay, ROFL. For example, everyone was ROFL after listening to his joke. It was hilarious. The next one is, that it's number 10th, is IMO. In my opinion. IMO. In my opinion. As the word sounds, when you want to give your opinion, in short, you can say IMO. That was the worst speech ever. IMO, that was the worst speech ever. Number 11, Before. 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 He started blaming me before I even got a chance to explain. He started blaming me before even I got a chance to explain. Number 12. BRB. Be right back. Be right back. That means you just have a little bit of work and you'll be back soon. Be right back. So in short, it's BRB. I will BRB. Number 13. OOTD. OOTD. It is even a hashtag used by many fashion bloggers and YouTubers. Hashtag OOTD. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Number 14th, it's also very common. ASAP. 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 As soon as possible. I want this book ASAP. I want this file ASAP. As soon as possible. Number 15th, CTN. Can't talk now. Can't talk now. CTN. Can't talk now. So if you're just texting your friend and you have to go somewhere and you just can't talk right now, so you can just say CTN in short. You don't have the time to even write the whole text. So then you can use CTN, can't talk now. The next one, number 16th, DIY. DIY. Now everyone knows this, it's very simple and it's very well known as well. DIY, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Here's a DIY painting kit for you. Here's a DIY painting kit for you. Next one is YOLO. YOLO. You must have heard this. Like, what is YOLO, man? You only live once. You only live once. YOLO. Let me give you an example. I will do whatever I want. YOLO. The next one is FOMO. Fear of missing out. FOMO. Hashtag FOMO. Fear of missing out. So if you're scared that you're going to miss all the good things, all the fun things in your life, you have FOMO, man. Hashtag FOMO. Fear of missing out. Number 19. Laugh out loud. LOL. LOL. Laugh out loud. So when something is very funny, you say LOL. Number 20. LMAO. LMAO. Laughing my off. Laughing my off. You look hilarious in that dress. You look hilarious in that dress. LMAO. The next one, number 21, LMFAO. Now this is just an exaggeration of the last one, LMAO. LMFAO, that is laughing my freaking ass off. Laughing my freaking ass off. That means something is very, very, very funny and you want to use ROFL, but no, it cannot express that. LOL is also not enough, so you want LMFAO. It's very funny. It's very funny. Okay, so you can use this at that time. Number 22, BTW. BTW. By the way, BTW. BTW, you look weird in that outfit. BTW, you look weird in that outfit. Or you look good in that outfit. Every comment does not have to be mean. Let's continue. Number 23, GTG. Got to go. Got to go. GTG. 24, IDK. I don't know. I don't know. So when you don't know something and you just want to, don't want to type the whole text, you can just write IDK. I don't know. 25, LMK. LMK. Let me know. Let me know. So you want to know something, like you want to know whether the other person is doing good or doing well or not doing good, doing well or not, or you just ask them to do something and you just want to know more about it, and you can just say LMK. That means let me know. Number 26, late. L8. That means late is a short form. Next one is 27, later. Later. L8R. Later. Number 28. Thanks. THX. Thanks. Number 29. Noob. Noob. It means new or newbie, like when you're new to something and you just started doing it and you're very, very new to it. That means you are a noob. You are a noob. Let me give you an example. He's a noob to cooking. He's a noob to cooking. That means he's new to cooking. He's a newbie in cooking. Number 30. OMG. Oh my God. OMG. 31. TTYL. TTYL. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Now this is also obviously used in text. TTYL, when you don't have time to talk. So that's when you are going to text. You can't write this whole sentence, talk to you later. So you can just write TTYL. The person will understand. Talk to you later. Number 32. XOXO. Now when somebody says this to you or texts this to you, that means hugs and kisses. Hugs and kisses. XOXO. 33. F2F. F2F. That means face to face. Face to face. Hey, he wants to talk to you F2F. That means he wants to talk to you face to face. Number 34. DYK. Did you know? DYK. Did you know? Did you know about this? Number 35. FYI. FYI. For your information. FYI, I'm not going to attend the class today. For your information, I'm not going to attend the class today. FYI. Number 36. OG. OG. Original. That was OG. Original. That was original. Number 37. WFH. Just guess what this is now. And this is a new one. WFH. Work from home. Work from home. Number 38. TBH. TBH. To be honest. To be honest. To be honest, I really respect your decision. Or, to be honest, your decision is really stupid. So you can use it in both ways, like for complimenting someone or for insulting someone maybe. Okay, please don't do that. TBH, to be honest. Number 39, AWOL. Absent without leave. Absent without leave. Now this means they have disappeared without telling anyone. Okay, so he is AWOL. That means he has left without telling anyone. He is AWOL. The next one, number 40, MIA. MIA, missing in action. Missing in action. Now this is similar to AWOL. Okay, when somebody has left, they have disappeared, they are missing somewhere and you don't know where they are. So that is MIA. MIA, missing in action. The whole ship went MIA in the ocean. The whole ship went MIA in the ocean. Number 41, OFC. OFC. Of course. Of course. OFC. Number 42. Now this is amazing and my favorite one. FAT. PHAT. FAT. Pretty hot and tempting. FAT. Number 43. IMHO. IMHO. In my humble opinion. In my humble opinion. This one is used, when you want to be more polite to someone. At that time you can use this. IMHO. In my humble opinion. In my humble opinion, this plan will not succeed. In my humble opinion, this plan will not succeed. Number 44. AFAIC. AFAIC. Now this is a very long one, I know. As far as I am concerned. As far as I am concerned. AFAIC, you can do whatever you like. As far as I'm concerned, you can do whatever you like. AFAIC. Number 45. AFAIK. AFAIK. As far as I know. As far as I know. As far as I know, they are arriving on Saturday. AFAIK. They are arriving on Saturday. Number 46. BTDT. Been there, done that. Been there, done that. Now this one is used when you're having a conversation with someone and they tell you to try something new, or maybe something that they have tried. For example, your friend is telling you that you should definitely try this hack. You should definitely try this new hack. And you have already tried it, you have already done that thing, then you can say, been there, done that. BT, DT. BT, DT. And if you get this text someday, just remember this is been there, done that. Number 47, HTH. HTH. Hope this helps. Hope this helps. Now this one is when you want to give an advice and you just want to tell them that, yeah, hope this helps. So this is my advice, HTH. Hope this helps. Number 48, IOW. IOW. That means, in other words. In other words. He's a fraud. In other words, he's a thief. IOW. Number 49, LMGTFY. LMGTFY. Let me Google that for you. Let me Google that for you. Now, if you hear this one, just understand that the other person is trying to be mean and trying to insult you maybe. Okay? And if your friend is saying something like this, that means he's trying to be sarcastic. Let me Google that for you, because you can Google something yourself, right? LMGTFY. Let me Google that for you. The last one, number 50, is G or BG. That means grin or big grin. Grin means to smile wide open, to have a wide open smile like full of teeth, just like this emoji. So that's grin or big grin. So guys, these were the 50 words, 50 slang words or short words that you can use while texting. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.